Hello everyone. Welcome. Are you struggling with no sound in your Ubuntu virtual machine running on Hyper-V? This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to fix that frustrating problem. Let's get started and bring back the audio. First, ensure that audio is enabled in your Hyper-V settings. Open Hyper-V Manager. Select your Ubuntu virtual machine. Click on Settings. Navigate to the Hardware section. Find the audio device. Make sure it's present. If it's missing, you'll need to add it. If it's there, ensure it's enabled and not disabled. Next, verify the audio settings within Ubuntu. Open the Ubuntu settings. Go to the sound settings. Check the output device. Ensure the correct audio device is selected. If there's more than one option, try each one. Adjust the output volume. Make sure it isn't muted. Also, test the sound. There's usually a test sound button. If you still hear nothing, let's dive deeper into the Ubuntu configuration. Sometimes, the pulseaudio sound server might not be running correctly. Open a terminal. Type pulseaudio start. This will restart the pulseaudio server. If you get an error message, try sudo apt install pulseaudio. This will ensure pulseaudio is properly installed. After installing or restarting pulseaudio, try the sound settings again. Another common issue is incorrect sound drivers. In the terminal, type sudo apt update. This updates the package list. Then, type sudo apt upgrade. This upgrades the installed packages. Sometimes, this will update your sound drivers. After the update, reboot your virtual machine. This ensures the changes take effect. If you're still facing issues, you can try explicitly setting the default sound card. Use the command sudo apt install pavucontrol. This installs pulseaudio volume control. Open pulseaudio volume control. Go to the Configuration tab. Select the correct profile for your sound card. Then, go to the Output Devices tab. Ensure your preferred output device is set as the fallback. Finally, sometimes the issue lies within the Hyper-V enhanced session mode. Try connecting to the VM using a basic session. This can bypass some of the issues that might be interfering with the audio. After completing all these steps, test the sound in your Ubuntu VM. It should be working now. If not, double-check all the steps. Ensure all the settings are correctly configured in both Hyper-V and Ubuntu. You might also search online forums for more specific solutions if your particular hardware configuration is unusual. That's it for this video. I hope this helped you fix the sound issue in your Ubuntu Hyper-V virtual machine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Consider supporting the channel by checking out the links in the description below or donating if you wish. Every little bit helps us create more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments if you're still having problems, and we'll do our best to assist you. Don't forget to share this video with anyone else struggling with the same problem. Your support is much appreciated. Have a great day.